100%. I have a theory called the 4 pillars of blockchain technology. And if you just search for the 4 pillars of blockchain technology, you'll be able to find it. So the 4 pillars, the benefits of using blockchain technology within any system is: 1, it connects machines that are before not connected, and the machines can speak to one another. 2 is the level of transparency and translucency, depending on whether it's a public or private blockchain. 3 is the reduction of intermediaries, so the amount of people involved to do tasks. So in the past, before Bitcoin, you used to have one credit card transaction going through at least 4 intermediaries, so the credit card issuer, and then the person who's dealing with that, and then MasterCard, and then the bank. You don't see all this happening, but in the background it's happening, whereas now with Bitcoin, my computer is sending the transaction directly to your computer. There's no intermediaries. And in the case of other intermediaries and other platforms and projects, it'll be the same. And then the last thing is, of course, the great security it provides. So the security is fundamental. In the past, you used to be able to, even now, you can hack one central database and retrieve all of the data. So you could retrieve 100 million people's information, credit card details, addresses, passport photos, and everything within one single hack. If they were to use blockchain technology, all of these organizations, each individual they would own their own data. They would have their own private key to provide that data, and they can opt in. I mean, I can opt in to provide my data to people, but I would get a reward for it, I would get paid for it or something. And then 2, if they were on the blockchain, someone would have to hack 100 million different accounts to get the data of 100 million people, rather than one central attack in one central location. It doesn't mean the system has to be fully decentralized, it simply has to be distributed. And the system that's controlling it can be centralized, it can be decentralized, or it can be semi-centralized in the middle.